How to add friends in StepUp application. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, just go to the Play Store application on your device and on the search bar, just search for StepUp application. Process just to make sure that the app is updated to its latest version on our device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So all I'm going to do is tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of StepUp application. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page right now. So if I have to add the friends in StepUp application, what I have to do is just tap on this icon over here at the top right corner. You can just tap on invite friends, which is at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on invite friends and you can send invite link to your friends via different media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Gmail, and different other applications that are available in your device. And after accepting and getting into that link, your friends can be added in your StepUp application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.